Struggling to memorize the key angles in trigonometry? Don't worry, this video is made just for you. By the end of this video, you'll effortlessly recall the trigonometric values for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Before watching this video, subscribe our channel to watch videos like this. Let's dive into the video. First, let's take a look at the sine values. Put all the values divided by 2. Put in ascending order, root 0 to root 4. Now calculate them. That's it. These are the sine values of key angles. Let's see cosine values. Put divided by 2 for all the values, like we put in sine values. Put root 4 to root 0, which in descending order. Now, calculate all of this. How is this trick? If this trick helpful, leave it in comment section. Let's see how to get tangent values easily. Tan theta is equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. If we calculate this, we can get tan values easily. If this trick is helpful for you, just like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to LearnLab YouTube channel.